Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I will teach you how you can use emoticons and emojis to communicate with your team members on Slack. So let's get started. Now doing this is mind-blowingly simple, guys. Simply head over to your workspace here on Slack, select the channel here on the left panel you would like to send your message, or select a conversation from the direct messages section below. So let me enter that channel here and type in my message here at the bottom. So something like, yo guys, what's up? And after that, you will see that emoji icon here at the bottom, or that symbol. So simply click on it and pick an emoji from the library below. For example, you may go through these categories here at the top, like simple emojis or emojis that are related to specific areas, or categories like animals and nature, or activities, or vehicles, human expressions, vegetables, food, and so on and so forth. Yeah, and simply left click on it to select it, and that is going to add it to your conversation. Press enter to send your message, and there you go. Your message has been sent, including that or containing that emoji. And that's all to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.